In this video, we'll share 4 underrated workflows for architects and designers that no one is talking about. AI is becoming increasingly popular with architects and designers these days, but at the same time, there's something that people still struggle with, finding actual workflows that they can implement into their design. Because the real challenge isn't about generating AI images, it's about adapting AI in a way that makes it easy for us to communicate and present better. So in this video, we'll walk you through 4 such techniques that you can take and adapt within a few minutes, and these can really help you with the design iteration, presentation, and simply make your life a lot more easier. I'm Salman, an architect and administrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. For this demonstration, we'll be using Google AI Studio, and you can access this from aistudio.google.com. This platform has a pay-per-request feature, which means you only pay for the images that you generate. This can be really helpful if you're a beginner who does not want to get stuck in a monthly subscription. Before we get started, I want to quickly let you know that we are about to launch the AI Visualization Mastery course for architects and designers. Honestly, there are a lot of AI courses on the internet, but most of them only focus on the prompts and creating pretty AI images. But as architects, that is not really our problem. Our problem is how to actually implement AI in real architectural workflows. How do you maintain consistency across views? How do you test materials quickly? And that is exactly what we have focused on this course. We are sharing complete real-world workflows for exteriors, interiors, and master plans, and all of these lessons have been curated based on the comments that you have made on this channel. You will learn how to turn simple CAD drawings and 3D models into cinematic renders, create consistent multi-view outputs with the same lighting, not use AI just for renders, but as a design thinking and ideation tool for master planning as well. You'll also get access to a complete PDF system with 130 plus prompt combinations. You can grab this course at a much lesser price before we officially launch at the updated pricing. This course is available in 20 plus languages, making it easy for everyone across the world to follow. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this course today. Before the AI era, we had to trace over a reference image to create a CAD drawing, but now this can be done in a few minutes. Let's assume we have an image of a building such as this. I found this on Pinterest, so let's save that. Let's add the image that we just downloaded into Google AI Studio, and the prompt is to create an AutoCAD style elevation drawing of this building with proper line weights, clean white background. Let's also say no text or dimensions. The aspect ratio can be in auto, the resolution can be in 2K, and let's click run. There we have the result, and when we zoom in, we can see that all of these have distinct line weights and it appears really well detailed. If your building has a lot of details, then you could go for a 4K resolution. Once again, this is not exactly a CAD drawing but a JPEG image, but that can be resolved. Let's download this image. Just search for image to DXF online on Google, and you can use both of the results on the top. Let's go with this platform, and here let's upload the image that we just created with AI. The settings can be as it is, and click convert. Once done, just download the drawing and open it in AutoCAD, and this will give you a really neat and a clean AutoCAD drawing. This can also be extremely useful for detailing out repeating elements and details. An actual interactive shadow analysis of your concept sketch based on any location is now possible with AI. This is the prompt that we'll be using to begin with. I'll leave this in the pinned comment for you to copy. To adjust this for your specific city, just copy this and paste it into Google AI Studio and specify to rewrite this prompt for your city, and you will have the updated prompt. To begin with, let's paste the prompt in Google AI Studio and click run. Make sure the images and text option is turned on, and this will create a code for the solar analysis application. Let's now ask it to turn this into a HTML code. This will create the entire code of HTML, and for the last step, I've added the concept image, and I've asked the platform to rewrite this HTML code based on the structure and to make sure the geometry of the structure is well maintained. And then I pasted the same code that was generated previously and choose run. This will create a new code based on the structure, and all we have to do is to just copy this, search for HTML code viewer online, and choose the first link. Just paste the code on the left side, and here you will see that the concept has been generated as a 3D model, and you can adjust the months and time to analyze your concept at different times of the day. Of course, the concept is not perfect, so you might have to rerun a few times to get the best result. but to be able to generate an interactive shadow analysis within a few minutes is definitely worth testing out. You can now create a complete street elevation of buildings from any location on Earth. Let's jump into Google Earth and look for a specific city. In this case, I'm locating a building in Venice. This is an interesting streetscape to try, so let's take a screenshot of this specific series of buildings. And to actually make this more seamless, you might have to use the street view for better accuracy. We will ideally need to take multiple screenshots of all the buildings for better accuracy. Once done, let's head back into Google AI Studio and upload all the screenshots that we've taken. The prompt is to ask the platform, create an illustrated street elevation drawing of these series of buildings, white background, and make the buildings consistent. The aspect ratio needs to be in 16:9 and the resolution in 2K, and let's click run. I had to change the aspect ratio to 21:9 because this elevation did not fit in a 16:9 ratio. And there we have the result. All the buildings that we provided look consistent. It has only missed this small building from the edge, but the rest of the output actually looks really good to use. This can be used to enhance your presentations and make them more appealing. If you're running out of time and you only have a simple 2D section, this technique can make it presentation ready. Here's a simple section that we have, and let's see how to turn this into an isometric cutaway section. Start a new chat in Google AI Studio. Let's upload the section. The prompt is to turn this into a 3D isometric cutaway section with materials, textures, details, and ambient occlusion. The aspect ratio can be in auto, the resolution in 2K, and let's click run. And there we can see that the same section drawing has now been turned into a conceptual model, kind of like a cutaway section with depth and details. Of course, if you want to make any edits or changes, you can rerun the prompt or make the edits in Photoshop manually. Either way, this is a great time saver and a powerful way to elevate your presentations. So those are some really unique and underrated AI workflows that I wanted to share with you. Make sure to check out the Gumroad link in the description to access the AI Visualization Masterclass today. It's currently available in a discounted price, so make sure to grab that offer. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.